Hey guys, Martika here with another fabric haul. This is another mini fabric haul. And before we get started, I want to welcome you to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. So I went to Walmart, and as you already know, I did not go there for fabric. But as you all know me, you should know me by now, I have to go strolling down the fabric aisle just to see what's there. And I found 3 really nice bundles of fabric. So let me go ahead and show you what I found. So the first one that I spotted was this beautiful rib knit, and it is in white. Now you guys, let me tell you something. I hardly wear white, but when I do, okay? So this is 2 yards of fabric for $2. And this is the rib knit right here. As you can see, this is a really nice fabric, you guys. I really love it. And even the rib itself is a bit textured. I'm gonna move it closer. I'm not sure that you can, yeah, you can see that. Should be able to. The rib itself is kind of textured. So it's a very sturdy knit. And I do like that. I don't know what I'm gonna make out of this. Probably a really cute little knit dress or something. But yeah, I thought that was a excellent buy. And then the next pattern, I'm so used to buying patterns. The next fabric that I found was, this one was a little different. And this was also 2 yards for $2, okay? You just can't beat it when it says that $2 behind it. But it's this beautiful, this is knit. This is like a navy. It is a knit, and it has like some beautiful design. I want to say like threaded design going through it. Let me get a little closer so you can see that. How beautiful is that, you guys? And it is a knit. It is stretchy. And as you can see, it is also kind of peekaboo see-through. So I'm thinking about doing a top out of this, and it may be something where I wear a tank top under it, or definitely like a matching, like a navy bra under this, something just to cover that area, because it seems like when it's together, it doesn't show. But when you stretch it out, then you can, you know, kind of see through. So I don't know what type of top I'm gonna make with this, but I think that this would make a really cute top. Now this doesn't have a lot of stretch to it, but it does have some, okay? So it is still a knit fabric. I'll show you that stretch there. As you can see, it does have some, just not a whole lot, okay? So I have to be very particular about what type of top I make out of this. And the last one that I have to show you, I was really excited to find this because I have been seeing this, I've been seeing a sweatshirt on a couple of movies that I watched on Netflix, and I can't remember the name of them. I'm gonna be honest with you, I can't remember the name. But if I explain it, you might know what type of sweatshirt I'm talking about. But it's like a hoodie, you know, and it's cream colored. And the sleeves are different color stripes, okay? And in my mind, these are the stripes that was made out of. It's raglan sleeves, and then like when you get to the cutoff of it, the rest of the sleeve is in these stripes. So this was 2 yards for $2, and it is a knit. And when I saw it, I could not pass it up, you guys. I said, I think I finally found the fabric I have been looking for in these exact colors, because I can't totally remember the exact way that that sweater looked on those movies, but this reminds me a lot of it, or it may just be it. And yeah, when I make this, hopefully I can remember what movies I was watching, so I can be able to do a review and show you side by side what it looked like. And I'm trying to take it out of here some, but it too is not like a stretchy knit, okay? That's one way, and that is basically the right way, okay, to stretch. And that's all that is stretching, you guys. It's not a whole lot, and I don't need a whole lot, because this is just like from here and on down as a sleeve. Definitely going to be a fall wear, okay? But I'm excited about this, and for $4, come on now. So yeah, I must say, you guys, let me tell you a disclaimer here. I don't get paid by Walmart, but going in there finding these bargains, I'm a believer in saving money. I'm a believer in saving money while I sew if I can. And I will keep doing what I can do while saving money, all right? So right now, I can honestly say that there are some little gems inside those little fabric bundle sections in Walmart. So go and check them out if you have one near you. And if you have more than one, check them all out because they all carry different stuff. So I'm going to put this up. I'm not using this right now, but when I get ready to use it, I'll go ahead and wash it up and you'll see what I'm making. So I thank you for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed this little mini haul, and I hope you find some diamonds in the rough too. And I will see you in the next video. Have a great one, you guys. Bye-bye.